So we've been talking this morning about the future of stations, and one of the really interesting changes that's going on is the fact that stations are becoming destinations in themselves rather than simply places that people pass through. And that's exciting and important because it means we can use stations as vehicles for regeneration, to create housing and new exciting public spaces and places, as well as retail. And by doing that, we're going to transform the commercial characteristics of stations, and that will hopefully make them more attractive to investors and allow them to be vehicles of regeneration in what would otherwise be relatively rundown areas. So housing and infrastructure, I think, have a terribly important role to play in boosting Britain's productivity and closing the gap on our competitors. And the reason for that is that if we have infrastructure which meets people's needs, particularly getting to work, getting into education, so forth, then they will be more efficient, they'll be more productive in the other hours of the day when they're actually at their desks or in factories and offices and they're having to work. And we know that the UK suffers from a chronic under-provision of infrastructure in many areas. And that if we improve the quality of our railways, we make them more reliable, we reduce journey times, and indeed our road network, then that will lead to a more productive and competitive economy. And similarly, putting housing closer to where people want to live and closer to where they want to work will help to address the same problem so that people don't spend 100 minutes or more commuting to where they need to get to work.